Hi folks, it's Valerie, and I got a box from one of my subscribers and friends, Burl, and I wanted to open it in front of you. I have mentioned this during one of the lives before. I know what it is, I just don't know what it looks like, so we're all going to be surprised.
So this is a live unboxing then?
Yes, live unboxing.
Okay.
Just pre-recorded. How's that?
Okay.
Alright, cut everything open. Alright, here we go. I can't wait to see her. Ah!
Oh look, it's
gold paper from Canada.
Gold paper, yay!
Yay, this is
Awesome.
Canadian paper. I'm guessing.
Wait, is that the thing that she was talking about?
Burl's so sweet. It is. We'll look at that in a minute.
Okay.
I want.
She said there'd be something in here for hubcap.
Yep. Indirectly.
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 Alright.
Here we go. Hopefully this is on camera.
It is. I'm watching.
Oh, this is the feet.
Okay.
I wonder. There we go. I can't wait to see her. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
Cool.
Oh.
Wow. Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect. He's perfect.
The box out of the way. I got it.
Oh my gosh, he's perfect. Burl's sister made this. It's a raven and he's perfect. Oh my gosh, I got to pick out the fabric.
Oh, look at the medicine bag. Or the...
Yeah, this is what Burl said that
beautiful.
he put
Is that
the Canadian penny in here.
Oh, that's awesome.
I know. I love her. He has my name on top.
What?
See, Canadian penny.
Yep.
He has my name on top.
Where?
I'll show you. I'll show you.
What are the wings made of? That's cool.
The wings are, I believe they're leather. He was gonna.
This doesn't even look like leather.
Right there, Val.
Oh, that's cute.
Look at
that's
that.
Amazing.
He's perfect. I love the hat, the colors.
And is that
Oh
like,
my gosh.
Is that like a cane?
Yes, it's a willow cane.
Oh,
It's a willow cane.
That's
And
beautiful.
he's all handmade. Oh,
she's got like
shoelaces.
shoelaces.
Oh my god. And it's in copper thread because I told her copper was...
Look, in the moon is right there. That's
Oh,
what
he
she
did get the
wanted.
moon. He did because I only saw the sun on the fabric. Oh my god, she is gorgeous and her arms move.
Yeah, she's got one of her hands in her pocket.
Look at that.
It's beautiful.
He's for a project that you guys will be seeing on the channel this coming year. And he is absolutely what I wanted. Glasses, and he's got the red hair like I asked.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It's going to be jealous.
He is. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get more. I want more. I'm going to have a conspiracy of ravens.
So Beryl's sister, like, yeah, I know she's gonna have these available, right?
I don't know. This is her very first one that he's ever made.
Really?
Yes.
It doesn't look like a first of anything.
I know. He got the pattern from the original doll maker that designed these.
Wow, that's amazing.
Isn't it?
It doesn't even look like leather.
It is leather. Yep. It feels
Wow,
like
that's beautiful.
the fake faux. I love it. He is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's so beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted. Thank you so much, Burl. And you will be getting something in the mail as well. So she does not have. Her sister does not have a website yet. Burl is talking to her about setting up a Facebook page. So if you're interested in one of her beautiful creations, oh my God, she's perfect. I've been waiting for a month when I first saw her. Now, to name her. To name her.
Well, maybe that's another video.
Naming ceremony? I love her so
She's
much.
so beautiful.
This is a work of art.
Mm-hmm.
This is definitely a piece of art. Everything he sewed and paid attention to so much detail. He's perfect. Thank you so much, Burl.
Hands are shaking.
I know, I love
Don't
her.
normally shake.
I love her. When I see a piece of art that really calls to me, like this one did, I just get so excited.
You get to pick out the fabric and stuff.
Yeah, I got to pick out the 2 pieces of fabric, and I told her what colors I liked, and then she did the rest. I have not seen her since her dress was made.
That's so beautiful.
Isn't it? The hat.
That's amazing.
He got the greens, coppers. I love her. Gotta find a name for her. You will see her more in videos. So I just want to, oh, we got one more too. I don't know. Let me.
What is this? Merry Christmas. Oh, it was a cold.
Val, Merry Christmas. A little something to help with those cold feet, and so Jason can't complain anymore.
Indirectly for me.
Thank you for all your help and for all your wonderful critiques.
This is going to be very appreciated if it is what I think it is.
I'm wearing 2 pair right now.
2 pairs of socks.
Yes.
Doesn't matter. You're not going to be any warmer.
Hey,
maybe this
I
will
don't
help.
like when people take time to wrap presents. Oh, it's got a reindeer. I don't like just ripping them open.
You'd be good for the Studio C thing.
Yes. Ooh. Oh, these are beautiful.
Oh, they are.
Look at that. Gum boots.
What?
These are, alpaca, possum, and merino. Yeah. Ooh, I'm going to go put these on right now. Hand wash, lay flat to dry. Don't you dare put these in.
I won't.
These are so awesome. Thank you again, Burl.
Yes, thank you, Burl.
Put that there. Awesome box. I don't get boxes awesome. In fact, this is my first subscriber received box. And everything's so awesome. Thank you so much, Burl.
Thank you, Burl.
Bye.